Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob batteries in this Mercedes remote key fob. What we need to do is remove this cover here to access the two key fob batteries. So we get our things and thumbs in and we just prise the case open and remove the cover. Sometimes it can be a little bit stiff if it hasn't been removed before. And we just remove the two batteries like so from the housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number like this one of CR2025, and we simply just pop the two key fob batteries back in. We're making sure that the writing is facing upwards on the key fob batteries, like so, and we know they're in the correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we just get the case, make sure everything is lined up, like so, and we just click it back in place. There you go, it's all done.